So hello guys, today I'm showing you this product. It's like an air freshener. It's called Power Pocket, right? Has three flavors as you can see. I've already used some out of it. But these are the three flavors that it has. Guys, it lasts very long. I'm not sure if it's up to 30 days it says or more, but it lasts me long. Um it lasts close to 30 days, I'd say the most. So guys, this is what it looks like. You open the packet, you take this out, then you use the string and hang it up, and it gives you the nice fresh scent that you need. Guys, you should buy it. I'm not sponsor or anything to promote or anything. I'm just telling